Alrighty, we're at an undisclosed location. Look what we have here. That's right, in the Twin Cities. We have, it's my first draw on it, a ThyssenKrupp ISIS. Oh, epic, this is an ISIS 2. Oh my god. I can't believe it. I found this on the records. Or G2. Oh, this is really cool. Let's go to 4. There we go. I want to hear the chime. Oh, epic. Out of door track looks like it might have been replaced. Here we go. Here at 4. It's interesting there's no second floor. Been on G2 again. Instant door closed. What the fuck? That's weird. Weird. HGCOP 3,000 pound capacity. ThyssenKrupp ISIS Aurora Buns 88 phone. It's a single slide. Very nice cab like the other one I rode. Mirrored ceiling. This one's in very nice shape. RD2. We'll take it on one more ride. This one doesn't have ECI equipment. Sounds like a Westinghouse doorbell operator. Let's see if the indicator goes again. So this is an ISIS 2. No, the buttons have been replaced either. This one's in really good shape. Owned on 1. You are 1. Here's your fan up there. This is very nice for an ISIS.